Today we're going to be reloading the Ego ST1511T cordless string trimmer. I start off here with realizing I should pull the battery out. Did that. I didn't want to accidentally spin that up while I was messing around with the parts. And you'll see here I take off the entire enclosure. That's not actually necessary if you've just run out of line. I had an issue where one side got cut off and the rest of it spun up inside the head. So I took out the entire thing and pulled out the string. Overall, the line looked pretty much okay after that. It's best to not reuse it, I imagine, to avoid any memory issues so it doesn't do it again. But I pulled it taut, no twists or kinks in it or anything like that. It seemed pretty good, so we're going to try it again. After that, you snap the base back on. And actually, the process is a lot more simple than you'd think it is. You take the line, feed it through one of the holes in the trimmer head there until it comes out the other side. Pull it so that you have an even amount on either end. Then you push the button on the top. I don't know what it's called, the rewind or the string or whatever button. And it actually rotates the head at a much, much slower pace, you'll see here, than if you pull the trigger on it to activate it. And it actually winds the line for you. It's really cool. And I ran it in for a while. I did keep a little bit of pressure on it, so that way it wound in tautly. And then in my case, I left it a little bit long, and it had to be cut off on the cutter there on the guard. But it was super easy. Really easy process. Next time will take only a minute or two, I suspect.